How Southern are you? I'm going to go through a list of words. If you've ever said these words or heard these words, you get a point. I want to know how many points you get total at the end. First one, starting off easy, y'all. Number 2, fixin', like you fixin' to do something. Number 3, yonder, over yonder. Number 4, reckon. Well, I reckon. Number 5, tarnation. What in tarnation? Number 6, skedaddle. We better skedaddle. Number 7, youngins. Youngins. Number 8, piddling. Just piddling around. Number 9, britches. Got something on my britches. And number 10, Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy, it's hot out here. Comment how many points you got out of 10. I want to know how Southern you are.